What is business analytics?
To me, it's about opportunity.
To me, it's about challenges.
To me, it's about learning.
To me, it's about growth.
For me, it's about planning and consolidation.
To me, it's about innovative people.
To me, it's about visualization.
For us, it's about enterprise data
And its quality.
For me, it's about willingness to learn.
For me, it's all about right and fantastic people.
Opportunity comes in a disguised form. For me, it's BA. Here we have an opportunity to learn the different BA tools, scale in them, and serve the customer better.
Learning is an art. Mastering the art makes you to move from round table to square table. And that's what we do together in BA as Infinators.
Challenge for me is to enrich my skill, learn new technology and tool. I want to face the challenge, overcome it, and that will take me to success.
Grab the opportunity, overcome the challenges, do the learning, and that's how we grow in BA.
Always better to have a clean house to welcome a new family. Same is the case with clean data to welcome a new SAP implementation. And that's where I come into picture.
In a nutshell, your business process is ready for success. But is your data? SAP Business Analytics will help you with that.
In business analytics team, with a combination of amazing tools as well as right people, we understand the business requirement of a customer very well, and we try to deliver it as a comprehensive solution to them.
Every business user benefits from more precision, faster time to value, and the new user experience. SAP's enterprise performance management solutions are designed specifically to meet these challenges.
Today, IT solutions has crossed barriers and reached places so far deep that we call it unrealistic. So many applications, so many domains. As a result, data. Lots and lots and lots of data. SAP's answers to this is HANA, an in-memory offering. It is totally data source agnostic. The database is revolutionary. Here in business analytics, we have already started catering to the high performance needs of the customer. Just imagine, amazing people, incredible performance. What else? Gas combination.
SAP has always been strong on the ERP front, where customers were able to get in their information into the ERP system and collect the data. But slowly they felt the need to really use the data and how to analyze the data. And that is where the business analytics strategy came in for SAP. And that is today the strategy for taking out the data. There was a demand felt for doing a real-time analysis. And that is where the HANA strategy comes in. And these are the two strong pillars for SAP's future growth strategy.
Here in Business Analytics, by scaling ourselves in new solutions like Business Object, Web Intelligence, Data Services, Master Data Governance, HANA, we can be differentiators and offer a better value proposition to our customers.
Well, what can I say about the Intelligence Unlimited group working together with us for almost a year now, from India to Israel to LA. It doesn't matter how good the process is being documented or how the requirements are being presented. By the end of the day, it's all about the people. It's all about the willingness and the motivation to the people in India. Thank you, and keep on the good job.